Hello and welcome to MarineMax Lake Norman. Today I have the pleasure of showing you this 2024 Yamaha 222 FSH Sport E. You'll see this one is finished in the black side with the aluminum trailer. Really nice upgrade for this boat. It's also got the black T-top with the fiberglass on the underside. Really sharp looking boat from the outside. Let's go ahead and hop on inside and show you some of the interior features. Okay, stepping aboard our 2024 Yamaha 222 FSH E. With this being the E model, there's a couple notable features. One is going to be your fiberglass hardtop. Second, you're going to have push button start for both the port and starboard engine here. Really convenient feature. In addition to that, you're going to have your Simrad screen. Really great to get out on the lake. As well as your upgraded audio. Controls right there. And perhaps my favorite feature on the Sport E is you can actually sync your throttles, turn it into a one throttle driving. Really great setup on this boat. Talking about the helm station, you do have this really nice flip-flop helm chair with the integrated cooler underneath. You'll also notice we've got the jump seats up right now. Very easy to fold down. Turn this into a nice big casting platform while you're out on the lake. Finally, back here at the back of the boat, last thing is going to be your really deep live well here. Really great spot to put some ice in and put some drinks in, or obviously for your live bait. Coming forward past the T-top, this boat does have really great storage up here under the helm with an integrated changing room. Really great spot. Come in, change your clothes, or get under there. You'll also notice we've got dedicated garbage can and some storage on the port side here. And on the starboard side, you see that it's mirrored as well. This boat does have the bow filler cushion. So you'll notice here we've got the platform in, the cushion snaps right on, really nice and convenient. As well as this really deep, expansive bow. And last but not least, we've got a dedicated anchor locker up here. Keep your anchor out of the way. If you guys like this boat, have any questions about this or any others, just give us a call. We'd be happy to help. Thanks for watching.